Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today's video is very informative. We are going to talk about Hungarian visa. The students who wants to go back to India. I will explain all the steps, how you will get the visa, what you have to do, what documents you need, and when you can apply, and everything I will tell in 2 steps. First, how to apply or book appointment, and second thing, we are going to talk about the documents that we need, and third thing, how we will go there and in that office where we have to apply. So let's talk about the first step, that is appointment. There is a link below in the description. You will go and tap on that link, and you will see you want to book an appointment. So first thing is like select location. So you have to select location Uzgrowth. So you will tap and type Uzgrowth, and you will find Uzgrowth Consulate General. After that, you have to put name, date of birth, phone number, and email address. Please put Ukrainian phone number, and second thing, please put your active email ID. And that you have to click on the first description and the second privacy, and then after they will ask you about the date and time when you want to go there, and available slots you will see on the screen, and you can book the appointment. So after that, you will get the mail regarding that you have booked an appointment. It's successfully done, and they will provide you the address on that mail, that where you have to go in Uzgrowth. This is the procedure for the appointment. Now let's talk about the documentation. Passport first, after that TRC, Dovitka, student card. It's normal documents for all the students who are studying in Ukraine. I hope everyone of you have. Now the fifth thing is bona fide certificate. You have to go to the university and you have to tell that you need bona fide certificate, and please carry original one copy. And you can see on the screen, you can take this reference and you can tell your university that make this bona fide certificate. Now we will talk about 6 bank statement. Bank statement, you can use your Ukrainian bank or Indian bank, doesn't matter. Just remember that you need minimum $1,000 to $1,500 equivalent money, any of your account you want to use. If you want to use a Ukrainian account, at least you must have 50,000 hryvnia, and if you want to use INR account, you must have like near about 1 lakh. So now 7th thing, round trip ticket. It's very important, guys. You have to carry both the tickets for going to India and come back from India, because they will provide you the visa for going and come, because 2 entry they will give. And remember one thing, you can use your original tickets. If you are not sure that they will give or not, like reject the visa, so you can use dummy tickets. But remember one thing, it must be active ticket. And if you need help for the dummy tickets, you can contact that number I have done from this guy. He will do your active tickets. Now hotel booking, both side, the same thing you need before 1 day. Like if I am planning to travel on 17, I must have hotel booking of 16 and 17, and the same thing when I will come on 26 or 28, whatever it's the date, you have to take 1 day after that. Like if I am traveling on 26, I must have 26 and 27, 2 days hotel booking. Travel insurance and application form, you can do it by yourself. You can download the PDF form of the application form and you can fill that. You have to carry that form physically by filling, or I can provide you the address. The guy who do all this documentation work, he sit beside the consulate office of the Hungary, and he do all the documents. He takes 1,000 to 1,500 hryvnia, and you can tell him 1 day before, because he takes time at least for 1 day to make all the documentation. And you have to carry 2 color photos also. So these documents you need. And now let's talk about 2 things that is very important for you guys. One is like your tickets that you must have. I told that active PNR. And second thing is your application form. You can do it by yourself also, and you can put any insurance like phone pay or whatever you insurance you can book from online websites, you can buy. But if you will do from that guy, he will do in Hungarian, and it will be easy, and he help a lot. So you can go directly for that also. But I am telling this option because somebody have a financial problem, he can do it by yourself. And when you will go to submit the file, like the day when you have appointment, they will take your all the files in the form of photocopy. So please carry all the documents that I listed, photocopy also and original also. They will make a file of that photocopies, and you have to carry that original also, like TRC and your passport. So you will show to the consulate, they will ask for the original and the Dovitka also. That's why I told Dovitka you have to carry. If you don't have student card, I hope most of the students have, but don't have, no problem, just carry your Dovitka and TRC. That's very important. All the process that he will do, your counselor, after that he will give you a receipt, that is Hungarian bank OTP. So you have to go to the OTP bank. I will provide you the address. You will go there and you have to give 80 euro. But if you don't have 80 euro, so no problem, you can give in the hryvnia. They will ask the money, that exchange price at that time. what will be the price, they will tell you and you will pay, and you have to carry in the cash. Please remember, they will not accept any from your card, so carry in the cash better. After the submission of the money, they will give you again a receipt from the bank. You have to come back to the Hungary office and you have to submit that receipt to the counselor. So this is the process. When the counselor will give you the receipt of the bank to go to the bank to submit 80 euro, he will give also one receipt that is for collecting your passport. They will tell the date when you have to come to take your passport. Most of the students, like I am talking about my also, and all the groups that we went, we get our visa after 7 days. But some of my friends, they went recently and they get visa in 1 day. So they will tell the date when you will get the visa. So guys, I wanted to show you that this is my visa that I got. And many of the students have question like for how many days they are giving visa. So my visa is for 6 days to entry. Like when I will go from here, Hungary, maybe 2 days I will stay. So they will count 2 days like this. And when I will come from India, they will count 2 days more. So it will be 4 days and 2 days more left. So I can be in Schengen countries, but better to leave Schengen country within 6 days. That's how we have to use. They are providing first time 6 days visa, and maybe next time they can provide more days visa. So this is the simple thing that I am telling you about the days, and it doesn't matter that it will be for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. It totally depends on the tickets, that how you are booking. If you have returning ticket after 3 months, they will give accordingly that visa. My visa start from like this month and it will end in the October. So you can calculate it's accordingly how you are giving the returning tickets. So guys, this was the video for the Hungarian visa. In the next video I will tell how you have to apply for the Moldova visa. For Moldova visa, the price is only 40 euro and they have multiple entries. So guys who have financial problems and something, they can go for the Moldova visa also. So I will tell in the next video all the process how to apply for the Moldova visa. This video I guess helpful for you guys, and if it's helpful, please like the video. And if you haven't subscribed till now my channel, please subscribe. And if you are new, then most welcome to my channel. You will get lots of information videos, my vlogs and many more things. So guys, hope you like the video. Meet you in the next video. Till take care and bye bye.